Hey guys, tour tayo dito sa swimming pool. Punta kasi kami ng pool ni Tichens. Magsiswimming kami. May pa-free sunblock sila dito, oh. Ayan yung free sunblock nila. May mga nagsiswimming kaya dito kapag sobrang yung talagang summer dito. Kasi hindi ko pa naranasan mag-stay dito ng summer eh. Ganda lang po nila yung kids swimming pool sa side na to. Oh, so ito naman for adults. Here.
Okay, do the doggy back.
Actually, maraming ngayon, maraming guest yung hotel ngayon dahil sa holiday. Yung mga Russian nandirito. Almost ng kanilang guest Russian. Let's try to go to the beach. No? You don't want, or on the pool only? Doon banda yung beach. Maganda din doon. Maganda sana sa beach. Ganda ng view. Is full. Sana naman hindi puno yung ang ganda, oh. Diba? Ikot natin. Let's go this way. Oh. Later, let's drink the hot chocolate. You want? Okay, let's go to take the. Let's go to take the same spot like yesterday.
Yes,
okay. Huh?
But when someone will sit in it,
Where?
but when someone will sit in our spot like yesterday,
Yes?
who am I?
No. Let's go from that side. The same spot. Okay? Okay, let's go. You want here?
What?
Here? You like here? Here or the other side?
Here.
Okay, go.